want your edges like this, sis. Like this. Peep it. Peep it. You see the glow? You see the shine? If you want your edges like this, keep watching. At this point, just keep it going. Don't stop. I'm trying not to get distracted, but I couldn't help it. I'm trying not to get distracted, but I couldn't help it. Ooh. Drop what? Drop what? Drop. They need to bring that back, y'all. Comment down below if they need to bring drop back. Drop. I hope I'm doing it right. I look very dumb. Goodbye.
Yeah, big 14, know what the fuck going on? Yeah, yeah, and we pulled up.
What's up, you guys? Hey, what's up? What's up? Can I get some love? So, as you see from the title, and as you see by the forehead, is that I'm doing an edge control video. Yes, so I wanted to do some more hairstyles and stuff, but this is a little hairstyle I got with two little baby ponytails that you can see, and then my hair in the back is loose or whatever. So I'm gonna do my edges. It's gonna look better than this. I'm telling you, it's gonna look better. Okay. So yeah, let's get straight to the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notifications. We are almost to 100 subscribers. 100. We almost to 100 subscribers. What's up with it? What's up? Let's get it. One more subscriber. So I'm gonna need y'all to share, like this video, do all you can to help your girl get to this 100 subscribers, because that's what we doing. We moving up. We not going down. We not going down. We not going below. We going up. You know what I'm saying? So let's get to this 100 subscribers, and if we do, then I might do a video, some type of video, something funny or something cool. Anything y'all want, I will do it. So let's get to this 100 subscribers, you guys, and let's get to this video. Yeah, let's get to this edge control video. I'm gonna stop talking, and boom. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna need, for me, what I'm gonna need is mirrors right here. So yeah, I'm really like a chameleon right now. Like, I'm literally blending into this thing back here. Like, isn't that crazy? I know. So yeah, you're gonna spray your hair, or I'm gonna spray. You're gonna spray your hair. Okay, so what I use for my edges, I don't have the other thing that I use. I'll probably get it in a few minutes, but I don't feel like getting it. So I'm gonna use this Gorilla Snot. Y'all know about this for right now, because it's doing pretty good with my hair. And I'm gonna need a comb. You can either have an edge brush. Can't talk.
That you
An edge brush. See, this is what it looks like, or a toothbrush. You can use either of these. Okay. So first, I'm gonna try to do this. I feel like I'm way too high right now. Let me get on my makeup. You're gonna need your comb and this Gorilla Snot. Okay? Okay. Got this comb, and actually, why am I acting like I don't know what I'm doing right now? I don't know. But you're gonna need this, and then you're gonna just brush out your edges. You know what I'm saying? The reason I did this hairstyle so you guys can see my edges better. Okay? Yeah, so you're gonna need to brush out them edges. I have this comb. I think this is a comb, you guys. Yeah. I'm going to like do some waves like that. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't want it to look like, yeah, okay.
Hi.
Okay.
So, you're gonna get your Gorilla Snotty. Your Gorilla Snotty. Gorilla Snot. Gorilla Snot. Okay? You're gonna get that. It's really like sticky, you guys. But, this is how much I use right now. What am I doing? This is how much I use. But you don't need that much. But what I do, I use it for every bit of my hair. That's why I keep saying pick. It's not a pick. Comb. And I'm just gonna swoop it down. Yeah. Just gonna swoop it down like this. You dig? That's how you're gonna do it. Just gonna bring it down like this. Okay, so you bring it down and then you just swoop back. Just like that. See? Bring it down and swoop it back. Period. Period. You know what I'm saying? So then for the smaller hairs I use my edge brush and I just do it that way too. Shout out to the girls with the widow peak still, you dig?
And I
It's pretty easy process. I believe if you don't know how to do your edges, you'll get the hang of it. You just gotta keep doing it, you know what I'm saying? And you'll start to like it. It may look crazy at first because that's how mine was when I first started doing my edges. But you'll like it, I promise you. I'm going to use, if y'all didn't see in my last video, I used this 24-hour edge tamer. And this is cute. It smells good too. So use this because sometimes my edges, I don't really know what type of hair type I have because it's all different, because I probably have like 4C or like 3C, something like that, and then probably 3C like in the, you know what, I don't know, so I'm not gonna even keep on saying it.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
But my hair type acts really crazy sometimes. So yeah, I'm just gonna put that on my edges because this is what kind of holds it way more. Y'all see that? Ooh. Whoa. Sheesh. Yeah. Like I said, it holds it pretty good. That's how they should start looking. That's how they should look. They shouldn't look like that. They should look like that. So, yeah, just bring it back. Bring it on back. Move it on back. Move it on back. And then I use this side. Do the same thing over here. Need some more. Because you don't want it to look bushy. That's not what we're getting at. We want to make it look slick down to the ground and bring it back all around. So that's how you're gonna have it. And you have like a little sideburn. Shout out to the girls who got their own naturally sideburns. It's cute. Don't shape it, okay? But if you want to, you can. But I'm just saying, it's cute on y'all, for real. But and then y'all bring it back. Just like that. See, for me it's a long process because my hair likes to act stupid. Likes to act stupid. So that's why it's taking a little while for me to actually get it done and finish. Because this is like the reality of how I do my edges. The reality. That stay down. So yeah, that's all you gotta do. It's not that hard. Promise you'll get the hang of it. If you don't, just comment down below. Be like, girl, I don't know what I'm doing. Be like, and I'll comment back on you. I'll be like, girl, rewatch this video. And then she gonna comment back, be like, girl, I know what I'm doing. Be like, I told you. That's basically it, as y'all see from the edges though. Now with the little swirl, I know y'all probably like, ooh, swirls. What's a swirl? This is a swirl. Okay, so the way they do it, I'm still trying to get the hang of it, but I peep it. Just get some hair. And this ain't enough. See, I'm teaching y'all on a different level. Get on my level. So yeah, just get some hair. And just, this is not gonna act right. I already see it. This is how you swoop. That look good? Okay. Sorry. Let me put this back. Alright, so we're not swooping at all. Okay, so I know y'all probably like, so she gonna just leave her hair like this. No, I'm not. I promise, I'm not. Cause it do look a little like Richard Pryor or something, but rest in peace, okay? So what I'm gonna do I'm gonna get a bobby pin and just put it back like that. Because I want it like, I guess you could say a mohawk look. Like this. Alright. So we did it. My edge tutorial. I hope you guys like that. Like, thanks. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Love all my supporters. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, subscribe. If you want any more hair videos, comment below. Or any videos, period. Like I said, I got you. So, yeah, this is the end of the video. And peace.
Yeah. Hey, let's get it. Hold on. Let's get it.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Kidadatv. You know what's up. How y'all doing? Tell me how you doing. Okay, so this how we doing now. Technical difficulties.